How's it going, guys? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. We're gonna be back out here in Godley, Texas, checking out this customer's building. Now, in a previous video, we did show this building off. This was a 20 by 30 by 10, all vertical building. It did have a lot of customization at the time. It had the black roll-up door here on the front. It had this black solid heavy-duty walking door here on the side. It had black windows as well, 3 of them. It did have this black vent that's right behind me. It also had the gutter system that we haven't seen before. And as well, it also did have the cedar posts out here on the lean-to. Now, the customer has taken it upon himself to customize this building even further. And he is being nice enough today to let us check it out. So here in this video, we're gonna see everything that this customer has done to their building. So first things first, you can kind of see that the customer has done spray foam to his entire structure of this building. You see all around the sides and the top as well. He has said that it has helped, the inside climate of his building here during these hot summer months, as well as kind of give it, more rigid, kind of kept the building a little bit more stable, more solidified. And we like to hear that. You can kind of see behind me as well that the customer has done some electrical work here. He's added some outlets as well as added some lights up here on the top. As for whatever the customer is storing in here right now, he does have kind of his, bench here, his work tools. He does have a fan in here, just to add a little bit more, breeze. He does have some shelving here. He has told us though that he will be adding some more custom shelving, actually put up on the frame as well. You can see this is the only thing as far as the vehicle that he has inside for now, but he does have a lot more room for other stuff. Over here as well in one of the corners or one of the side walls, he has mentioned that he will be putting up a TV come football season. But as we come out this black roll-up door that the customer does have, you'll see that the customer has put kind of like a pathway right in front of it. He did mention that this is crushed gravel. Looks very nice. Customer also does get a lot of water. His house actually sits downhill from the top, and he has been getting a lot of rain here in the area. So he says that this has helped kind of alleviate, the potential for mud, dirt, all that stuff, from tracking inside his building, and as well as, keeping it at bay. You'll see here that the customer has added some sod, some nice grass here on the perimeter of the building. And this will be kind of a close shot, but the customer has added some sprinkler system, irrigation to keep the water, to keep the grass nice looking, green, very nice here in front of his lean-to portion of the metal building. Here we can see that the customer has his, smoker out here ready to go for 4th of July weekend. Customer also does have some fans up above, and that was made possible by the electric system that he added. Customer does have some nice patio furniture out here. So whenever he wants to, he can just kind of chill, relaxing, outside for a bit. Customer also did happen to add these 2 porch lights here, and they pair very well with the rest of his house, as well as the color and everything looks very nice. Customer, lastly, he has added a security system. So here you can kind of see that the customer does have a camera here in the corner. Pairing nicely with the camera here, he does have a motion sensor light that was in front of the roll-up door that we saw earlier. But as far as it goes right now, that's all the customization that the customer has done. And, just kind of give you an idea of what you can do. There's a lot more stuff you can do, make the building truly your own. But really, the only limitation is going to be your creativity and, exactly what you want to use your building for. But this has been Brian with American Steel Carports. Don't forget to share and like this video. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you want to see in the future. If you have any questions or anything like that, we're always here to help and show you everything that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.